In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for Amazon Pay Later. This service can make your online shopping experience much more flexible, allowing you to buy now and pay later in convenient installments. Let's dive right into what you need and how to get started with this valuable feature. First, make sure you have everything ready to meet the requirements. You'll need an Amazon.in account with a verified mobile number, a valid PAN card, and a bank account with one of the participating banks. It's also essential to be at least 21 years old and have documented proof of your address. An important part of the process involves completing KYC, or Know Your Customer, with the lending partner, which typically includes providing your Aadhaar card details. Now, let's go through the registration process step by step. Begin by opening the Amazon app or website. Make sure you're logged into your Amazon.in account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the Amazon Pay section. You should be able to find this on the main menu, and it's pretty straightforward. Tap on Amazon Pay, and then you're on your way to the next stage. Now, within the Amazon Pay section, look for the Amazon Pay Later option. It should be listed among the available financial services. Select it to begin the sign-up process. Don't worry, the interface will guide you through. Click on Sign Up or Get Started to initiate your registration. Next, you'll be required to enter some personal information. Provide your PAN number, your date of birth, and any other required details as per the prompts you see on your screen. Be sure to double-check your entries for accuracy to avoid any issues later on. Following this, you will need to complete the KYC process. This step is crucial for verifying your identity. You may be asked to provide your Aadhaar details, so keep that information handy. The interface will guide you through the steps, and it's usually a quick process if you have everything ready. Now, you might be prompted to set up auto repayment for any monthly dues. This feature ensures that you never miss a payment after making purchases using Amazon Pay Later. Setting up auto repayment is straightforward and can usually be done securely within the app or website. Before moving to the final stages, make sure to carefully review all the terms and conditions associated with using Amazon Pay Later. It's important to understand these terms before you agree to them, ensuring you know what you're signing up for. Finally, your details will be verified upon completion of the sign-up and KYC process. You will receive a notification regarding your eligibility status once all your information has been thoroughly checked. And that wraps up the process for registering for Amazon Pay Later. With these steps, you can enjoy a more flexible payment method on Amazon, maximizing your convenience and shopping experience.